Nexat. Nexat is the world's first complete holistic agricultural production system. The basic premise is simple but groundbreaking. One for all for one. Nexat combines all phases of work into a single system that previously required a wide variety of agricultural machinery. At its core is a powerful, wide-span carrier vehicle with interchangeable tools that can perform soil cultivation, seeding, plant protection, and harvesting activities using modular accessories developed in close collaboration with well-known and renowned manufacturers. Modules can be exchanged by one person in less than 10 minutes, and full automation of this process is expected in the near future. The benefits of using Nexat innovation are manifold. Much less warehouse clutter for parking agricultural machinery. Modules are integrated, not connected. A specific module for each operation. All processing stages can be completed with a single vehicle. Furthermore, Nexat is truly cutting-edge and forward-thinking. In fact, Nexat is electrically powered. The generators are currently powered by two 550-horsepower diesel engines operated independently, but the system itself is prepared to be powered by green hydrogen fuel cells. Nexat is a cutting-edge modular vehicle that sets new standards in agricultural production by combining and optimizing every phase of the production process. An example? The Nexco harvesting module, for instance, allows for over 50% higher productivity compared to a traditional large combine harvester. Ropa-Mouse 5. As a child, I remember that potato harvesting was always hard and tiring work. Hours and hours spent under the scorching sun, laboring in the fields to gather a few crates of potatoes. When I saw this machine, I thought it came from the future. A machine to gather tons of potatoes easily and quickly. This is the Ropa-Mouse 5. This machine can increase efficiency and profitability in starch potato logistics. Furthermore, farmers can expand their potato cultivation fields without having to invest in storage capacity at the same time. The R cabin ensures optimal 360-degree visibility and provides the operator with a clear view even in rainy conditions. The harvesting fingers work up to 5 centimeters in the ground and gently lift the potatoes, which are then transported on conveyor rollers. A total of 8 cleaning rollers ensure delicate and efficient separation of soil and straw. The cleaning basin is equipped with 10 conveyor rollers, thus offering excellent separation of weeds and soil residues. Loading onto trucks is done with the 15-meter-long transfer truck. As integrated flow scale in the articulated truck's transport section with automatic zero adjustment allows for optimal loading of transport vehicles without exceeding legal limits. You've now seen how potatoes are harvested on large farms in 2023. Ducker MK25 mounted at tractor. The mobile arm mower Ducker MK25 is smoothly moving along the roadside. The machine faces no issues if there are poles or obstacles in its path, thanks to the versatility of its maneuverable arms. Furthermore, the device has a 260-degree rotation capability, allowing for even and precise grass cutting along the edges by rotating its cutting head. The Tastronic used as standard on the DUA and the computerized control of the side-mounted mower, RSM, lightened the operator's load. After dismantling the RSM, a complete front arm with all interchangeable working equipment is available. The side-mounted mower can also be used as a standalone device. The working width from the center of the vehicle reaches up to 7.8 meters. This machinery is perfect for companies offering roadside vegetation clearing services for municipalities and public bodies. Pumpkins Harvester. Now, I'll show you how pumpkin harvesting is done at Europe's largest farm. This farm, located near Spalding in Lincolnshire, supplies the majority of pumpkins found in English and European supermarkets. The farm has a purpose-built structure with temperature-controlled storage and an easily accessible off-site packaging center. The plant was built in 1997 and has been expanded several times to meet the ever-increasing demand. Given the high product demand, the company has equipped itself with highly technological machinery for pumpkin harvesting and management. Thanks to the machinery you're seeing, the company is able to gather thousands of pumpkins per hour. Tevo Aerobotics Technologies. Tevo welcomes you to a new era of apple harvesting. Thanks to its pioneering flying autonomous robots, Tevo is at the forefront of addressing agricultural labor shortages. Guided by advanced artificial intelligence, computer vision, and machine learning algorithms, these futuristic robots are transforming fruit harvesting practices in orchards worldwide, from Italy to the United States, Chile, Israel, and beyond. Their unparalleled precision in fruit picking and optimization of the harvesting process translates to minimal bruising, preserving fruit quality and flavor. Farmers gain a strategic advantage with these robots' ability to determine the ripeness level of each fruit, ensuring only the highest quality products are harvested. The benefits of using this technology are economic savings due to reduced human labor usage, better fruit quality from picking only ripe fruits, possibility of harvesting 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, user-friendly, agile, and fast. These robots can not only pick apples, but also pears, plums, and peaches. If you have an orchard and want to vastly improve efficiency and productivity, Tevo's robots are the right machinery for you. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed these machines. Did you already know all of them, or was there one that left you amazed? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel to not miss the next video on ingenious and futuristic agricultural machinery used all over the world. Thanks for watching.